Hey guys, so today I want to show you guys some photos from my first roll of medium format film, which was Portra 400. I shot this in my friend's Pentax 645 to see if I wanted to jump into getting a medium format film camera. And so we went out around the local campus at Pittsburgh State University and I took some photos on this film, and I really like how these really came out. So let's jump into them. So now that you've seen the photos, the news is that I am buying a medium format film camera, and I have decided to get a Pentax 645. I found one on eBay for a pretty good price from Japan, so I had to jump on it before it was gone because it was ending soon and I want it. So I'm really excited to get into some medium format film videos and to try out some different film stocks that I haven't shot on 35mm, and just to have a different format to shoot film in. So I appreciate if you guys would like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.